Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 27, metals and non-metals. In this worksheet, we will discuss about ionic compounds. Ionic compounds are compounds made up of ions. कौन से होते हैं ionic compounds? These are made up of ions. These ions are atoms that gain or lose electrons. These are formed by the atom by gaining or losing electrons and giving them a net positive or negative charge. By losing or gaining electron, these atoms get charge, either positive or negative. Metals tend to lose electrons, so they become cations. Metals क्या बनाते हैं? They are converted into cations by losing electrons and carry and have positive charge, while non-metals tend to gain electrons by forming anions. They form anions. Non-metals anions बनाते हैं and carry negative charge. In other words, ionic compounds are held together by ionic bond. तो ionic compounds में जो atoms हैं या ions हैं, they are held together by making ionic bonds. Ionic bonds क्या होते हैं बच्चों? What is ionic bond? Elements can gain or lose electron in order to attain the nearest noble gas configuration. तो ionic bond क्यों बनते हैं बच्चों? To attain the stable electronic configuration or nearest noble gas configuration. Formation of ions for completion of octet helps them gain stability. Octet जब वो प्राप्त करते हैं, octet means 8 electron in their outermost orbit or shell. So formation of ions for completion of octet by transferring of electrons, they gain stability. तो उसके बाद वो स्टेबल हो जाते हैं. नोबल गैस क्या होते हैं बच्चों? नोबल गैसेस आर इनर्ट गैसेस. दे हैव stable electronic configuration and they have 8 electron in their outermost orbit. In a reaction between metals and non-metals, metals generally lose electron. Metals क्या करते हैं? They lose electron to complete their octet or complete their outermost shell. And non-metals generally gain of electron and they gain electron to complete their octet. Metals and non-metals generally reaction to form ionic compounds. Ionic compounds form होते हैं by the reaction of metals and non-metals because these bonds are formed by the transfer of electron. Now we will discuss the formation of ionic compounds. Ionic compounds कैसे बनते हैं? Ionic compounds are also known as electrovalent compound. These compounds are also known as electrovalent. Why they are called electrovalent? Because they are formed by the losing of electron or by gaining of electron. That is why they are known as electrovalent compound. The chemical bond formed by the transfer of electron from one atom to another is known as ionic bond. Ionic bond क्या होती है बच्चों? Which is formed by the transfer of electron from one atom to another. And these compounds contain ions. Compounds में क्या होते हैं? Ions होते हैं. Now we will discuss formation of sodium chloride. What is the chemical formula of sodium chloride? Chemical formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. So you should know the atomic number of sodium and chlorine. Atomic number of sodium is 11 while the atomic number of chlorine is 17. Electronic configuration क्या है इन दोनों का? 281 and 287. Outermost orbit of chlorine contains 7 electron while the outermost orbit of sodium contains 1 electron, and they have to get stable configuration or 8 electron in their outermost orbit. 8 electrons को complete करने के लिए क्या करते हैं? They transfer the electrons को transfer कर देते हैं either by gaining of electron or losing of electron. So sodium transfer one electron to the chlorine. One electron which is present in the outermost orbit of sodium is transferred to the chlorine. In this way, chlorine get 8 electron in their outermost orbit, and electronic configuration of sodium 2 it become 2 8, and electronic configuration of chlorine it become 2 8 8. By losing one electron, sodium converted into cation, sodium 1 positive charge, and by gaining one electron, chlorine converted into anion, chlorine 1 negative charge. Now formation of magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride कैसे फॉर्म होता है? What is the formula of magnesium chloride? Formula of magnesium chloride is MgCl2. It contains 1 atom of magnesium and 2 atoms of chlorine. So electronic configuration of magnesium is, atomic number is 12, and electronic configuration क्या होगा? 2 8 2. It means 2 electron in the outermost orbit of magnesium. And electronic configuration of chlorine is 2 8 7. It means 7 electron in the outermost orbit of chlorine. यहाँ पर कितने क्लोरीन एटम्स हैं? 2 क्लोरीन एटम्स. So 2 electrons present in the outermost orbit of magnesium are transferred to 1 to each chlorine atom in this way. Next, and then your magnesium's electronic configuration will be 2 8, because it loses 2 electron, and by gaining 1 electron each chlorine atom, its electronic configuration will be 2 8 8 and 2 8 8. In this way, formation of magnesium chloride is done. Next, let us practice now. Now we will discuss question answer. What are anions and cations? How are these anions and cations forms? Cations और anions कैसे बनते हैं? And what are anion and cations? So, by losing or gaining electrons, these anions or cations are formed. When atoms lose electron, they convert it into cations and carry positive charge. And non-metals gaining electron, they are converted into anions and carry negative charge. In this way, they form cations and anions. Metals tend to lose electrons, so they become cation and have positive charge. Non-metals, loss of electron. Non-metals form loss of electron, they become anions, they form anions and have negative charge. Next question. Your next question, how are ionic bond formed? Ionic bonds कैसे form होते हैं बच्चों? Ionic bonds are formed by the transfer of electrons. Bonds formed by the transfer of electron, these bonds are called ionic bonds, and they are also known as electrovalent compound or electrovalent bond. Why atoms tend to gain or lose electron? Gaining or losing of electrons क्यों होते हैं atoms में? To attain the nearest noble gas configuration. क्यों करते हैं? ये गेन और लॉस इलेक्ट्रॉन क्यों होता है? ये गेन और लॉस इलेक्ट्रॉन होता है फॉर्मेशन ऑफ आयंस फॉर द कंप्लीशन ऑफ ऑक्टेट, and elements can gain or lose electron in order to attain their nearest noble gas configuration. and for completing octet, which give them stability. The next question is justify the statement is calcium oxide an ionic compound. क्या कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड आयनिक कंपाउंड है? यू हैव टू जस्टिफाई दिस स्टेटमेंट. यस, it is ionic compound. Formula of calcium oxide is CaO. CaO, outermost orbit of calcium contain 2 electrons and outermost orbit of oxygen contain 6 electron. So by losing these 2 electron or transfer this electron to oxygen, it is converted into calcium ion or cation. Electronic configuration will be 288, and by gaining 2 electrons, oxygen converted into anion and its electronic configuration will be 28. So in this way these two atoms complete their octet, means get 8 electron in their outermost orbit, and they are this calcium oxide is formed by the transfer of electrons. That is why it is ionic compound. Next question is explain formation of sodium chloride by transfer of electrons. You have to explain formation of sodium chloride. Here is sodium chloride formation is given to you. So you have to by showing these structures or by making these structures, you can explain the formation of sodium chloride. Thanks for watching.